Sophie, who is here to show us how to make DIY aromatherapy bracelets that are beautiful and will make perfect gifts for everyone in your family around the holidays, right, Soph?
Everybody. It is the perfect stocking stuffer. Mums, you know, for mums, sisters, BFFs, if we take a look at these, the great thing is you can customize them to exactly what you think your loved one will like, with the little tassels, the charms, and we're using some very special beads, and I'm going to explain to you why in a second.
Well, can you explain the aromatherapy diffuser part of the bracelet?
Yes, so we're using our favorite essential oils. The beads absorb these oils and then they diffuse them all day long. And the beauty is that you don't put it on your skin, it's on your wrist.
So what materials do we need to get this thing up and running?
Right, so let me show you. First off, we need beads. So we've got lava beads. We've got some semi-precious stones. I've rose quartz and amethyst here. We've got little spacers. We have stretch magic, which is the cord we're using. Then some little tassels or any little charms that you want to add to your bracelet to personalize it.
What's with the lava? What's it?
All right, so the lava beads is basically molten rock. And what it does is it absorbs the oils and then slowly diffuses them all day long. So it is perfect for your essential oils. Also, lava rock is very grounding.
Sure.
So this is real lava from a volcano.
It's real lava rock, and then the semi-precious stones have qualities like rose quartz for self-love. Amethyst is very healing.
So this, you couldn't do it without the lava, because you could. It's the only one that absorbs.
Yes, I mean there are other beads, but I think lava is the best medium for absorbing yours.
All right.
So
how do we get started? Yes.
So the first thing you're going to use is stretch magic. Now this cord is very stretchy. Try and stretch it. Try and break it.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's good.
I know it feels like it's slipping through your fingers, but it's not. Okay.
So we're going to snip off about 2 or so feet of the stretch magic, and then at one end, and let's come in nice and close here, I've just put a little bit of tape on, taped off one end. So you're going to start threading your lava beads on straight away onto the cord until you have approximately, let's come in nice and close here, about 8 lava beads. Now it is time to measure. So Deb, give me your wrist right here.
It smells so good, by the way.
It smells
It smells beautiful.
So it's important to measure. So what I like to do is I put the tape under my wrist or somebody else's until you see where the lava rocks come to the center top of your wrist. Let's come in close. We can see that there. Okay. And now is the time to add the central beads. So Debbie,
because that's where the
if you can see on me, that's where I'm going to add my semi-precious stones.
And then go back to putting the lava stones on.
So then let's look at this one. I have another swap out here. So on this one, I've added a couple of jade beads, and let's turn this the other way around because it's so cute. It's a little he's turned again. It's a little owl charm.
Oh my goodness, I love that.
So again, you can customize it however you want to.
Who would want that on there?
I would want an owl.
Who? He's saying,
Mom,
Sophie.
I've been away for too long.
She's actually answering you, as one would. Thank you.
All right, so now I've added on all of my beads. So the final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add on a spacer, a thick spacer, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So that's adding just onto the end there.
All right.
Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shift. Oops! Hang on one second.
There goes
Where's
our
my spacer? Hang on.
There we go.
We've got him. All right, so we're shifting it all to the center here.
Right.
Now I'm simply going to put it together. Mark, if we've got scissors, it doesn't matter if we don't. But what you might want to do just for ease is just snip off. But here's how easy it is. You tie it off by making a little knot as you would tie off a balloon.
Oh, right.
Okay, nice.
It's so easy, you don't have to do special. Now, the reason for this, and then we snip off the ends here. I don't know where my scissors have gone.
That's right. Well, scissors walk away on this set. Everyone steals the scissors.
But when you've snipped it off, and let's come in nice and close here, when you've snipped it off, the great thing about the spacer bead is that the knot is completely hidden.
Sealed.
And I'm going to show you,
like that.
on here. Can you see the little knot right there? Yeah.
Where does the essential oil come in?
Okay, so then when you've made your bracelet, you pop it on a piece of paper towel. Then you're going to take your essential oil, and you can use any blend that you love.
Nice.
And you put 1 drop on each bead. But here's the great thing. I recommend picking an essential oil such as peppermint. Now, if you suffer from headaches or migraines, my daughter does, and I made her one of these with peppermint essential oil. She wears it on her little wrist to school. She sniffs it in, and
it helps.
completely.
Now, Sophie, I know these are very expensive if you buy these. Am I wrong? Or are these the same ones that are super expensive?
All right, Debbie, let me tell you. In the store, we looked it up online, $400
Yes,
for one
I
of
thought
these
so.
lava bead necklaces, and we've made them for about $8 a piece.
Oh my
Can
God.
Wingard
Wow.
get that?
Thank
Take
you,
that, Ken.
Sophie.
Now you're fabulous
Thank
and
you.
frugal.
We're going to step away. We're coming back and spending time with Dr. Prince Hall.
This is beautiful, Sophie.
I'm here to give you simple and natural tips to reclaim your life in menopause. So stay tuned.